the Studio. So you're back for a like video. Today we're going to be looking at set 40449. I don't know the name of it, this set, because it doesn't have the name on it, but it's like the Carrot House promo for Easter 2021. And it has 232 pieces and it's recommended for ages 8+. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the time lapse of me building this set. yeah, let's get into the review. So starting off with this little side build here, it's the Easter Bunny here, and it's got like the tail on the back, which is like the older ice cream piece. Yeah, it's got like his eyes there, which are a very common piece, and like a quarter round tile right there for the nose, and the ears are like on these clips or whatever, and the feet are just made out of these studs. So yeah, just a simple build, but still pretty detailed. So yeah, now for the house, it's got like this bunny sticker on the door there, and it has like a mailbox here that just says post on it. It's also a sticker, but here's this isn't a sticker, it's like this wood log piece. It's not that new. And here are these flowers. I really like the design. I believe it's supposed to be like sort of like it has like an egg, like in the egg shells. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. I'm sure it's a coincidence. I know it's supposed to look like it. It says in the instructions. I don't know if it's a coincidence or not. That looks like an Easter egg. Yeah, there's like a sprout here right under the window here with some flowers, a blue and a pink one, and there's like some shutters there that are open, and there's like this carrot design, like carrot does not like these carrot stripes or whatever. They don't have stripes, but yeah. And there's some above the door as well, and on this side also the same flowers and window design. And there's another one of those sprouts or whatever. And inside the house there isn't that much room, but I don't know if you can really see. But there's like these on this wall. There's like all these different stickers of. No, there's one sticker and it has a bunch of like pictures of other bunnies and stuff like that, and some carrots up there. And I really like this this carpet design or whatever, and it has like a chick on it, and can't really get it in enough to like show all the design, but it looks like it's stitched or knitted or something. And here I think is a mirror right above drawer, or yeah, like I said, there isn't that much room, but it's a promo, so, and it's free, so really nice promo for Easter. And up here is like the stem of the carrot, or like these leaves on the top. Really nice design. I wish it like came on more on this side, and so it looked more natural or whatever. But yeah, this was just my short little review of this promo set. I'd give this promo probably a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. I just really wish it was a little more detailed interiorly, but it's a nice promo. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more LEGO videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye!